Good evening, everybody. We are here in Canadian, Texas, unloading 34 round bales that we brought from Tulsa, Oklahoma, that was donated to the ranchers out here affected by the wildfires that recently hit Texas, the Texas Panhandle. We loaded up this morning in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and just arrived to Canadian, Texas to unload. 34 round bales, what we brought to Canadian, Texas tonight. Currently unloading them here. All the fields here have been burnt. All the grass for the cattle is no longer available, so donating our time, our big trucks, our equipment to get hay down here to the ranchers in the Panhandle of Texas. United Cajun Navy. This is what we do for our people. We all come together and help them out in a time of need. Like I said, we loaded in Tulsa, Oklahoma this morning, and we just arrived to unload 34 round bales for the ranchers here. They're going to be sharing them with their neighbors. We got cars out here with headlights trying to get offloaded, so the dark caught us today. But we did our best to get loaded up this morning and get over here. So all we can do is all we can do. But we are stronger together. So we are working to get these guys all the hay they need. If anyone's able to, we would appreciate donations to help cover the fuel expense to get this hay here. You can go to www.unitedcajunnavy.org if you want to donate, help cover these fuel expenses. Just to give you an idea, it's about 400 miles each way, a little bit over. And these trucks burn $1 a mile in diesel. So each trip to pick up hay and come back just roughly costs $800 to $1,000 in diesel. Easily. So we've got about 600 round bales that we're going to be bringing here, and each truckload is 34. So do the math on that. We're going to be hauling hay for a while. And the fuel prices, they haven't gone down much. So, you know, that fuel expense is not going anywhere. But we're doing what we can with what we have. And we sure would appreciate any help anyone could offer. Once again, we are unloading 34 round bales that we picked up in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Thank you to Ben for donating those and loading us, and Mr. Steve for helping coordinate, donate his time and hay to send up here. We appreciate you guys. Without y'all, we couldn't help these guys in the Panhandle. All right, we'll keep y'all posted for the next load. Thank everybody for what y'all are doing. We appreciate the help. We're gonna keep hauling hay as long as these guys are donating it to help out. We'll keep getting it to them. We don't want these cattle going hungry. Thank y'all.